Linear search is the simplest searching algorithm and one that you already know. We iterate over a list, inspect each item. If we find it, we return its index. Otherwise, we return -1, meaning the item doesn't exist in the list. In the best case scenario, the target item is the first element of the list, so we can find it using one comparison. That's an O of 1 operation. In the worst case scenario, the target item is at the end of the list, so we need n comparisons to find it. That's an O of n operation. Now, what if the target item doesn't exist in the list? Well, we have to iterate the entire list and inspect each item. So that's an O of n operation as well. Linear search is relatively slow compared to other searching algorithms we're going to talk about in this section, but it works well if you're dealing with a small list. As the size of the input grows, this algorithm slows down, and we might want to use another algorithm like binary search. We'll look at that later. So now I want you to spend 5 minutes and implement linear search.